You guys, now I'm standing in front of the uh, DIY store. I mean, they sell a lot of stuff for home crafting or something. And I bought a, let's see, a glue to repair my shoe at home. So yeah, let's go to repair my shoe now. I'm planning come here to buy shoe glue. It's very famous because I search on the internet a kind of glue for shoes, and I found out shoe glue is very famous and it's the best. But um, right now they ran out of it, so I decided to bought another one, and they say that it's quite a good. It works for cork, rubber, leather, canvas, felt, timber, and okay, let's go home and give it a try. And here's the front of this store. I see home hardware. You see right behind me. Okay, let's go home. Hey, hi you guys. After around 30 minutes walking, and now I'm reach home, and let's get started to repair my shoe. Okay, here is my shoe. Is the adidas original, you can see right, and it's made in Vietnam. All right, and it's, you know, as you can see, it's come out, the sole is come out like this, and the second one is like this, but it's still, I found out it's still in good condition. So as you can see, the leather is very good. It's very good. So now we repair it to reuse, right? Because I don't want to buy a new one, because it's around $100 plus or $200 plus, you know, for a new one. It costs a lot of money, so just reuse it. And here's the glue I bought from the home hardware store. Here you can see, yeah, it's made in Malaysia, and the brand in Australia. Here, right, you see. Okay, now we open it. Open the glue first. Alright. Okay, here is our glue, and this, open it. Alright. Okay, before you spread out the glue to the shoes, make sure that every surface is clean, and I did it before. So now we just pull the spread glue all the surface here. Okay, let's get to it.
Okay, after we spread all the glue to the shoes, right? So now I use the close packs to keep two surfaces together, adhesive together like this. So this is close packs I use, and now we use it, let's see, 24 hours or something, and I think it works very well. Alright, we are done. That's all. I'll fix I repair my shoes now, and we are done. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.